Are you looking for the best carpet cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best carpet cleaners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Bissell ProHeat Pro Carpet Cleaner. Bissell's Pet Hair Eraser is a powerful, lightweight carpet cleaner that is specially designed to tackle the toughest pet stains and odors. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser is a powerful and versatile carpet cleaning system that is perfect for homes with pets. The cleaner comes with a number of features that make it easy to use and effective at removing even the most stubborn stains and odors. The cleaner's Max Clean mode provides a deep clean that removes embedded dirt and stains, while the Express Clean mode dries carpets in about 30 minutes. The cleaner also comes with a 3-inch tough stain tool and a 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool that make it easy to remove pet hair, stains, and odors from upholstery. At number 2, Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner. Hoover's spotless portable carpet and upholstery cleaner is one of the most powerful and efficient cleaners on the market. It is perfect for cleaning up pet messes, high traffic areas, and small spaces. The Heat Force technology dries your carpets quickly so you can get back to your normal routine. The Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe is a lightweight and compact carpet cleaner that is easy to use and store. The nozzle cleanout tool helps to keep your cleaning performance at its best. We highly recommend the Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner for anyone looking for a top quality and powerful cleaner. At number 3, Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Carpet Cleaner. Are you looking for a carpet cleaner that will help you remove pet stains and messes? If so, the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Cordless Portable Carpet Cleaner may be just what you need. This handheld carpet cleaner uses formula and powerful suction to lift away stains, and it comes with a charge time of 4 hours and a run time of 15 minutes. The formula conveniently stores in the machine and doesn't need to be mixed with water, so it's always ready for use. Plus, the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser comes with 2 trial-size formulas to help you get started. The Bissell Pet Stain Eraser is a great choice for anyone who wants a powerful and convenient carpet cleaner. At number 4, Dupray Neat Steam Carpet Cleaner. The Dupray One trademark is the perfect steam cleaner for anyone looking for a powerful and durable all-in-one solution for their home or business. With a pressure of up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit per 135 degrees Celsius and a capacity of 50 minutes of cleaning time per fill-up, the One trademark can tackle any cleaning job, big or small. The One trademark is also the perfect steam cleaner for floor cleaning. It can be used with any regular towel or cloth, and there is no need for expensive special pads. The One trademark comes with a 2-year limited warranty and a lifetime warranty on the steam cleaner boiler, making it the perfect choice for anyone looking for a long-lasting and reliable steam cleaner. At number 5, Hoover SmartWash Automatic Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner FH50700 is a triggerless carpet cleaner that automatically mixes and dispenses solution as you push forward. This eliminates the guesswork and makes it easy to use. The Spot Chaser Pre-Treat wand detaches from the machine and can be used to pre-treat set-in stains with the included Oxy Pre-Treat solution. The Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner FH50700 also has a dry-only mode that can be used in combination with Heat Force for faster drying. This carpet cleaner is specifically designed for pets and includes a pet tool, 8-feet attachment hose, trial-size Spot Chaser Pre-Treat stain solution, and trial-size Paws and Claws carpet cleaner shampoo. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.